Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the wireless audio realm with the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2. These in-ear earbuds boast a royal blue hue that catches the eye, but it's not just about looks. The Bluetooth technology here ensures a seamless wireless experience, giving you the freedom to move without the hassle of cords. What's impressive is the up to 7 hours of battery life, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes for an extended period. No more worrying about running out of juice during your daily activities. And if you're ever in a hurry, the removable flex collar comes in handy, offering a quick and comfortable fit that suits your preference. But let's talk about the star of the show, the unique shape. Unlike other wireless earbuds that can be bulky or stiff, the Smokin Buds 2 maintain a lightweight profile. The around-the-neck collar is not only flexible but fully removable, ensuring that you get the perfect fit every time. Comfort is key, and these earbuds deliver. When it comes to functionality, the built-in microphone and call and track control add to the convenience. Easily manage your calls and music on the go without reaching for your device. It's all about that hands-free experience. In terms of sound quality, these buds don't disappoint. With 6 hours of non-stop music playback, you'll be immersed in your favorite tunes, and the unique shape ensures that your ears stay happy throughout the experience. So, if you're in the market for wireless earbuds that prioritize both style and substance, the Skullcandy Smokin Buds 2 might just be your perfect match. Stay tuned for the unboxing and a closer look at what makes these buds stand out. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.